In After Effects, create a GTA-style cheat code animation between the two clips on the timeline. On a shape layer, create a black rectangle and set its stroke to white. Similarly, create a smaller rectangle and position it inside the first one, just like I did. Now reduce the opacity of both rectangles slightly. Next, apply the typewriter effect to the text and animate it properly. After that, pre-compose all these layers. Apply the shatter effect to the pre-comp. Set the view to rendered. Choose in glass, under shape, and then enforce 1. Set, depth, 0.10. Radius, 0. Strength, 0.50. Now animate the radius from 0 to 0.50. Under physics, center of gravity to 0.5. Finally, animate the opacity from 100 to 0. The remaining steps are for enhancing the video and taking it to the next level. This is the final result. Like, comment, and share the video. See you in the next video.